now they're Harbor, going through Tennessee, on to Wilson now, northbound.
Harbor through Tennessee, on to Wilson, northbound. 19180 Nora, I believe you advised your solo and your 1022ing. The ball truck's going to stand by, please.
Okay, Wilson under 37.
Wilson under 37, 180 Nora, you're covered.
Traffic, 10 o'clock, low, 0 miles. Traffic, 10 o'clock.
Okay, we're going to go westbound.
10-4.
Still westbound 37, come up on the Fresh Air Bridge in about 1 mile.
Copy, westbound 37, approaching Fresh Air Bridge in 1 mile. I copy, taking southbound 101.
And westbound over 101 now. On the trans to southbound 101.
10-4, I copy, westbound over 101 on the transition to 101.
Okay, now we're coming on to 101 mainline. And I think they said good spike, if you can confirm that.
3437, can you confirm, did you say good spike?
10 o'clock, low, 0 miles.
437, negative spike. 3437, copy, negative spike. H30, I copy, several 20,002s.
Okay, looks like he's going to exit. He's driving through the dirt. Okay, he's exiting now. Coming up on 2 officers.
I copy, he's exiting now.
Coming up on North San Pedro. Right turn north San Pedro.
Copy, right turn on North San Pedro.
10 o'clock, low.
Okay, North San Pedro at Marydale. Yep. Dead end. He's a dead end.
Confirm, Mary.
Driver, gray shirt, blue or dark pants, gray hoodie. They're running northbound through the dirt.
10-4.
Passenger, black hoodie, and then a yellow hoodie.
Copy.
Okay, yeah, they're still running. He just ditched, so the passenger just ditched his yellow jacket. So just confirm, driver's got gray hoodie, passenger, and a black hoodie. There needs some trees now. Oh, no, still coming out. They're still running northbound towards Scareni Drive.
0 miles.
H30, I'm sorry, I'm not familiar with that drive. What was the name of the street?
They're now eastbound Vista Marin Drive. Eastbound Vista Marin Drive.
Copy, eastbound on Vista Marin.
Got 2 passengers, or driver and the passenger still underneath the helicopter.
Marin Drive.
You're in front of 15 Vista Marin. Right there, units, to your left, to your left.
Back where 942 is, he's back.
Okay, we got units making contact. 2 proned out. The driver's wearing the gray hoodie. 2 at gunpoint.
Hoodie though, yeah. Stay firm. Yeah,
I copy, 2 at
back behind
gunpoint,
all those units
both
now
proned
on
out.
the,
We got 1 CHP unit and 2 Marin SO 97.
Okay.
Copy, 1 CHP, 2 Marin.
Traffic, 10 o'clock, low, 0 miles.
Okay, Marin SO is detaining the driver, gray hoodie.
And Argus, some of our ground units are coming out here. They're coming from Vallejo though, so it might be a minute.
Okay, I'll let them know. Thanks so much.